yr arsan. I'r Drenewydd. Am James Davies yn o gynta. Davies dal yno, mae Smith yn ôl. Dwi'n wedi clirio daclus. Cowans. Cadw pethau i fynd, Henry Cowans. Am groesiad yn hwnna! Oedd hi'n gyfle i'r capten. Aaron Williams hefyd. Fflach gan y Drenewydd.
So fod jyst i dal i rediad a wedyn mynd ar draws Pete ac Cer am ddiffynwyr. So wedi cael y peniad gwell a cywir ar draws y gol i'r cornel bella.
Smith at Will Evans. Ar Bala, syth drwodd, Dave Jones yn gwneud digon. Shannon oedd, dim rhif ar ei Cris, eto wedi goffod newid i Cris. Dim un o'n bathodyn ar y Cris.
Mae'n agor iddo fod ydy. A mae'n rhaid y llgada i Dave Jones y golwr yn deud, oce, neu fynd am y postyn bella, ond na, dwi'n chwipio i fewn i'r postyn gyntaf yma.
Di sgôr, di fflach, ond Bala, gallu cipio rhywbeth. Kieran Smith yn cyrraedd yn hwyr ac yn codi. Will Evans! Will Evans! Mae'r Bala di sgorio! Evans di chalu! Dyn nhw ddim di fod ynddi gymaint o hynny, ond chi'n gwybod be. Reit ar ddiwedd yr hanner cynta, mae'r Bala wedi taro. Will Evans, gol i ddim.
Wel, maen nhw wedi trio y Bala wrth taflu'r bel ma i fewn. Maen nhw'n gwybod mae'r amddiffynwyr canol ma ddim yn ymosod ar bel fel dy Shane Sutters, dy Mills Evans. Maen nhw ar gollen o, ond edrych ar naid yna. Yr naid yna gan Kieran Smith, neu benio i lawr. Mae Will Evans wedyn yn neud yr hediad ar wrth y bel. Yndi, a mae o'n rhagweld, mae o'n mynd i gyroi. Mae'r naid, mae'r momentum, a wedyn ar ei droed chwyth. Oce, Ongeldyn, ond mae o'n gwybod. Pwer a chodi hi, gyda fi siawn sy'n mynd dros y golwr, a mae o'n neud hynny.
A Caton yn dathlu hefyd, Pamlai, Will Evans sydd i chalu. Mae Drenewydd yn ceisio pwyso ar ddechrau'r ail hanner yma. Well, Williams, fflach gan Aaron Williams. Hanner cyfle, na gyd sydd angen arno fe.
Wrth y modd efo'r syniad ar dychymyg ganddo fo.
Colin, I think your celebration to Will Evans' goal says it all, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's a lot of pressure. Like I say, we've not achieved a lot this season and not hit the heights that we've hit over the previous years. But it was a good finish, great header by Kieran Smith, and Wills reacted to it. Didn't think he was going to score from that angle, but it was a great goal, and the pressure's been on us, and a bit of release, a good goal, and a great timing to score it.
And naturally, you're pleased with the result. How do you assess the performance, though?
Thought we were absolutely outstanding defensively. Thought we could have been better in possession in the second half to go and kill the game off. I think we had the three major best points in the game, where obviously Will's goal, Ollie Shannon when he goes through in a 1v1 in the first half, and then Ollie Shannon when he scores and it's disallowed from offside in the second half. But they didn't have a shot on our goal. Ramsey's not had a shot to save, and I thought defensively we were totally in control of it and totally dominated the game in a great performance.
I think it was an honest game throughout. I don't think there was a lot of chances in the game. I don't think either keepers had massive amounts of saves to make. We're obviously a little frustrated that we've lost the game. Did we do enough to win it? Probably not. The team were honest. We kept going. We had to throw bodies forward, especially in the last 20 minutes, to try and get something out. We've had a couple of half chances. A couple of times where we've just disappointed in the last third. I think that was the key, really, disappointing in the last third. Again, I thought we were dealt with what Bala were about quite comfortably, really, but I think they would probably say the same about us. I think it was a game that was played in the middle third of the pitch, and we've half switched off for their goal where we've not tracked the runner, and they punished for us, but that's probably the only difference on the night, really.
Yeah, we knew tonight was going to be a big one. If they had won, they'd gone 10 points ahead. And so for us to win, we'd only go 4 behind. So it was a massive game. I think the lads dug so deep, fair play to a man. They were very, very good. And to be fair, I didn't know it was just for half time, so I was quite surprised at that. But it's quite nice to have a rest. So yeah, good time to score.
What do you remember about the actual goal? Talk me through it.
I think Smig had it this side and he played a diagonal. I just thought Kiz was running in, he's got a good leap. I'll go off his seconds and it's dropped nicely for me on the half volley, and I just wanted a good connection, and luckily I did that.